The UCAT has just had its biggest change ever. Abstract reasoning is completely gone, and everyone's asking the same question. Is the new UCAT format easier or harder? Let's look at this objectively from someone who got in the top 5% of all UCAT scorers. Abstract reasoning has been said to be too coachable. Guess what? They are right. At the end of the day, there's only a limited number of patterns that you can make with shapes. The first result when you Google AR patterns is literally which ones are most common. ER can change the text, UR can change the numbers and context. DM's virtually spontaneous because there's so many things you can change between questions. Taking those into account, the UCAT is harder. However, loads of you hated AR, so it seems like it's good for you, right? I wouldn't be so sure. The first thing to bear in mind is that if you mess up on one section, you've now only got 2 to make up for it. So each individual section is way more important. However, 2 sections are getting more time per question, but 1 section's getting less. BR and QR will have the same number of questions as before, but 1 more minute to answer them. This means you'll feel that time pressure a little bit less. Decision making is doing the opposite. They'll be adding more questions and more time, but your time per question will be slightly less. So overall, I wouldn't be worried, to be honest, because you've only got 3 sections to prepare for now. If you want to make sure you prepare for each of those sections